Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this differential problem. If given y is equal to square root x plus square root x plus square root x infinite times, prove that dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2y minus 1. So here given y is equal to square root x plus square root x plus square root x infinite times. Okay, so mm, here y is equal to, we can write this is square root x, and this value again like same y value, so we can write y both side taking square, so this is y square, and here square and square root cancel, just x plus y. Now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 2y dy upon dx, y square is 2y. And this is x, so we get 1. Here when we differentiate with respect to x, we get dy upon dx. All dy upon dx terms shift left side, so 2y dy upon dx, and this is minus dy upon dx is equal to 1. Now we can take common dy upon dx, so we get 2y minus 1 is equal to 1. We can easily find out dy upon dx. Here 2y minus 1 multiply with this, so other side divide. So 1 upon 2y minus 1. And this is the answer. Exactly we got this one. Okay. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.